Hi, Digital Design. Welcome to another week of virtual learning. This is week 5. You guys are going to be looking at the power of images and really exploring how visual photographic images can improve your design work. So we're going to get started with Photoshop when you're in class, and then while you're at home, you're going to be editing using Pixlr and editing some of your images and starting to think about your goals for why you choose edits as you do. This is going to be reinforced by what's happening in the classroom as well. So you'll learn how to use the free apps at home, and then once you're back in the classroom, you'll learn about Photoshop. So this week, I'm kind of looking at the agenda here just to make sure I don't miss anything. You're going to get started finishing up your vocab. So don't forget that your vocab sheet, if you are not completed with that, that is due by 11:59 completed. So make sure that you get that uploaded. Secondly, do make sure that you watch the general information links that I have for you in your instructions for lesson 1. And they're also available on your main course page. I left that information from last week and wanted to be sure that it's not information that you missed, because it includes information about your grades and then the study guide. Also, you're going to get into composition, creative composition with photographs. And so make sure you review that PowerPoint pretty carefully. Also, take a look at the rule of thirds video, and then just make sure you've submitted your vocab sheet by the end of today. When we get into Wednesday and Friday, your Wednesday and Friday lessons, for those of you who have 3 class sessions this week. If you only have 2, then you're only going to do lessons 1 and 2. If you have 3 lessons for the week, you're going to do lessons 1, 2, and 3. That just depends on the gold-black rotation. So we have 3 black classes this week, so just make sure that you stay on top of those lessons. If you have 1 in-class lesson, then you would only need to complete 2 of the lessons for the week. So it gets a little complicated there, but I've built in art production days. So the good news is that Friday is simply going to be an art production day to get your images edited. So if you're not in class on Friday, you can choose to do that on one of the other class periods, as it's expected that you spend 85 minutes of at-home learning working on this class, for your designated class period. Don't forget your attendance links. Do those every day, and you guys should have a pretty easy week as far as not getting a lot of new content at home. So I hope you have a great week, and be in touch if you have any questions.